Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up workout on Garmin Connect. Firstly, launch the app and tap the menu icon on the More tab depending on device. Scroll and tap Workouts from the menu options. Now tap the plus icon located in the top right corner. This starts the process of creating a new workout. Pick the activity type like run, bike, strength, cardio, etc. Now add steps like warm-up, run intervals, rest periods, or cool down. You can also include repeats or edit existing workouts by tapping them. Once satisfied, save the name of your custom workout. Then tap the device transfer icon and this will sync the workout to your Garmin watch or bike computer on the next connection. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.